Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Matatag Curriculum, Math 4, Quarter 4, Week 2. Our topic for today is about describe the rule used to generate a given simple pattern and complete number sentences to represent number properties and number facts. Day 1. Short review. Activity number 1. Who's next? Instructions. Study the picture below and draw the next figures. So, what are the possible number of boxes that may follow? So, the answer. Number 2. How did you determine the number of boxes? Explain. Number 3. Can you write the number pattern that describes the picture above? Number 4. Is the pattern increasing or decreasing? Why? Number 5. Can you state the rule that describes the pattern? Activity number 1. Who's missing? Instructions. Complete the sequence by writing what is missing. Number 1. 3, 6, 9. We have here 12, 15, and 18. Number 2. 42, 40, 38. We have here 36, 34, and 30. Number 3. 1, 3, 5, 7. So the answer 9, 11, and 13. Number 4. A, B, A, B. So next is A, B, A. Number 5. 10, 15, 20. We have here 25, 30, 35. Number 1. State the rule that describes each pattern. Number 2. Which pattern is repeating? Pattern is defined as a sequence of repeating objects, shapes, or numbers. A pattern has a rule that tells us which objects belong to the pattern and which objects do not belong to the pattern. Identifying and extending patterns. First, find what is changing in the patterns. Check if that same pattern applies throughout the sequence to create the rule. And use the rule to extend the pattern. Number patterns. Increasing number patterns. Patterns whose numbers are getting bigger. Decreasing number patterns. Patterns whose numbers are getting smaller. Example 1. Find the next three numbers in this pattern. We have here 7, 10, 13, 16. Solution. The rule for the pattern is add 3 to the previous term to get the next number. So the next three numbers are 19, 22, and 25. Example 2. What are the next three numbers in this pattern? 24, 20, 26, 12. Solution. The rule for the pattern is subtract 4 to the previous term to get the next number. So the next three numbers are 8, 4, 0. Example 3. What are the next three numbers in this pattern? 1, 2, 4, 8. Solution. The rule for the pattern is multiply 2 to the previous term to get the number. So the next three numbers are 16, 32, and 64. Example 4. What are the next three numbers in this pattern? 4096, 2048, 1024. Solution. Try dividing by 2. So 4096 divided by 2 equals 2048. And 2048 divided by 2 equals 1024. So the rule of the pattern is divide 2 to the previous term to get the next number. So 1024 divided by 2 is 512. 512 divided by 2 equals 256. 256 divided by 2 equals 128. Example 5. Patterns in tables. Study the table below. What is the total cost of printing 6 t-shirts? So we have here number of t-shirts 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 3 t-shirts cost of printing 150 pesos. 4 t-shirts cost 200 pesos. 5 t-shirts cost 250 pesos. So 6 t-shirts cost. Solution. The rule for the pattern is multiply 50 to get to the next number. So the answer is it will cost 300 pesos to print on 6 t-shirts, because 50 times 6 equals 300. Day 2. Activity number 1. Find the next three numbers in the pattern and describe the rule for the pattern. We have here number 1. 7, 11, 15, 19. So the rule for the pattern is add 4. So the next three numbers are 19 plus 4 equals 23. 23 plus 4 equals 27. And 27 plus 4 equals 31. Number 2. 1, 3, 9, 27. So the rule for the pattern is multiply 3. The next three numbers are 27 times 3 equals 81. 81 times 3 equals 243. 243 times 3 equals 729. Number 3. 25, 23, 21, and 19. The rule for the pattern is subtract 2. So the next three numbers are 19 minus 2 equals 17. 17 minus 2 equals 15. 15 minus 2 equals 13. Number 4. 50, 46, 42, and 38. The rule for the pattern is subtract 4. The next three numbers are 38 minus 4 equals 34. 34 minus 4 equals 30. 30 minus 4 equals 26. Number 5. 1, 4, 16, 64. The rule for the pattern is multiply 4. The next three numbers are 64 times 4 equals 256. 256 times 4 equals 1024. 1024 times 4 equals 4096. Letter B. Answer the following. Look at the numbers provided in the table. Number 1 question. What number do you think is missing from the top row? So we have here 4. Number 2. What numbers are missing at the bottom row? So we have here 8, 16, and 40. Now, describe the pattern. So the answer is, the pattern follows the rule by adding 8. Letter B, number 2. Mark made a chart for this pattern. We have here figure 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 1 question. What should be in figure 6? So the answer is number 2. Describe the pattern using a number pattern. We have here 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. In the figure 6, we have here 13. Day 3. Number sentence are a combination of numbers and mathematical operations. Finding the missing numbers. Addition and subtraction are opposite operations. Addition sentence opposite is a subtraction sentence, meaning that if you have an addition equation, you can create a related subtraction equation using the same numbers. Essentially, undoing the addition by subtracting one of the addends from the sum to get back to the other addends. For example, we have here 12 plus 15 equals 27. Becomes 27 minus 12 equals 15, where addition and subtraction are inverse operations. Multiplication and division are opposite operations. Multiplication sentence opposite is a division sentence, meaning that if you have a multiplication equation, you can create a related division equation using the same number. For example, 8 times 9 equals 72. Becomes 72 divided by 9 equals 8, where multiplication and division are inverse operations. Day 4. Example 1. Find the missing value in the number sentence. 20 plus blank equals 28. Solution. To get the missing addend, 28 minus 20. So the answer is 8. Because 20 plus 8 equals 28. Example 2. Problem solving. The total cost of buying a ball pen and a notebook is 43 pesos. If a ball pen costs 15 pesos, how much is a notebook? So the number sentence, cost of ball pen plus cost of notebook equals 43 pesos. So the cost of ball pen is 15 pesos plus cost of notebook equals 43 pesos. So we are going to write 43 pesos minus 15 pesos equals 28 pesos. So the answer is 28 pesos. Example 3. Find the value of n in the number sentence. 18 minus n equals 5. Solution. To get the missing subtrahend, 18 plus 5 equals n. So answer, 18 plus 5 equals 13. Therefore, n equals 13. Example 4. Find the value of n in the number sentence. N minus 37 equals 68. Solution. To get the missing subtrahend, we are going to add 37 and 68. So 37 plus 68 equals n. So the answer is 105. Therefore, n equals 105. Example 5. Nina wants to buy a pencil case worth 80 pesos. She saves 10 pesos a day. After how many days can she save enough money to buy the pencil case? Solution. Number sentence. Savings times number of days equals 80 pesos. The savings 10 pesos times number of days equals 80 pesos. So 80 pesos divided by 10 pesos equals 8. So the answer is it takes 8 days. Example number 6. Find the missing value in the number sentence 40 divided by blank equals 5. Solution. To get the missing divisor, 40 divided by 5 equals 8. So the answer is 8. Example number 7. Find the value of n in the number sentence. N divided by 8 equals 12. Solution. To get the missing divisor, you are going to multiply 8 times 12 equals n. So 8 times 12 equals 96, because 96 divided by 8 equals 12. Therefore, n equals 96. Letter A. Find the value of n in the following number sentences. I have here the answer K. Formative assessment. Number 1. Draw the missing term in the pattern. So what is the next term in the pattern? So the answer is number 2. Draw the next term in the pattern. So the fifth term is number 2. Write the missing numbers that will complete the pattern. Number 3. Find the value of n to make the number sentence true. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.